This is 7 National News, and in our top story, in his capacity as the ruler of Dubai, the UAE Vice President and Prime Minister, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has ordered the release of 453 prisoners from Dubai's punitive and corrective institutions on the occasion of Eid al-Adha. The Dubai Attorney General Essam Isa Al Humaidan asserted that the humanitarian gesture reflects His Highness Sheikh Mohammed's intent to give the prisoners an opportunity to start a new lease of life. He also expressed his deep gratitude to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed on behalf of the prisoners and added that the public prosecution have already started taking the necessary procedures for the release of the pardoned inmates and allow them to enjoy Eid al-Adha with their families. His Highness General Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces and Chairman of the Abu Dhabi Executive Council, reviewed the progress of current projects that are being undertaken by the Abu Dhabi government on Wednesday. He said that the continuous delivery of sustainable development requires a state-of-the-art infrastructure that keeps pace with the development of the UAE, under the directives of the UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi's comments came during a meeting with the Abu Dhabi Executive Committee in the capital, in the presence of His Highness Sheikh Hamza bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the National Security Advisor and Deputy Chairman of the Executive Council. During the meeting, the Abu Dhabi Crown Prince reviewed plans prepared by the Department of Municipal Affairs to improve the health environment of Abu Dhabi, particularly in areas of landscaping, lawns and gardens, through contracts worth more than 426 million dirhams. After viewing a presentation on the capacity of the electricity network in the Emirate, he also approved the construction of 5 combined distribution stations, the supply and installation of power cables, electric equipment, digital power meters, overhead power lines and network upgrades at a total cost of over 268 million dirhams. The Dubai Health Authority has announced working hours for all Dubai Health Authority hospitals, DHA administration, primary healthcare centres and medical fitness centres over the Eid al-Adha holidays. Hospitals and health centres will work as per shift timings, and medical practitioners will be on call to ensure work continues as usual, while the emergency departments at all hospitals will be functional around the clock on all days. All clinics at Dubai Hospital, Rashid Hospital and Latifa Hospital will remain closed from the 5th of October and will reopen on the 7th. And clinics at Hatta Hospital will be open from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. during the Eid break. The Dubai Diabetes Centre will be closed during the Eid and Eid and Nad al-Hamma, and Al Barsha Health Centres will function for 24 hours on all days. The Al Lusaili Health Centre will be open on the 2nd and 3rd day of Eid al-Adha from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m, while all other PHCs will be closed from the 3rd to the 6th of October. Additionally, all medical fitness centres will remain closed during the Eid holidays and will reopen on Tuesday, the 7th of October. Dubai Healthcare City also announced that patient visits exceeded 600,000 in the first half of the year to June 2014 and is expected to reach 1.2 million by the end of the year, up by 1 million recorded in 2013. In its H1 2014 report released yesterday, DHCC also said that 15% of its patients are medical tourists, which come from the GCC, Arab nations, Eastern and Western Europe and Asia. The report also revealed that the DHCC set up 9 new healthcare centres in the first half of the year and licensed 350 new healthcare professionals, bringing the total number of licensed healthcare professionals to 4,101. Additionally, during the first half of the year, the DHCC signed 18 Memorandum of Understandings. The Marine Transport Department at the Public Transport Agency of the Road and Transport Authority has launched a new tourist route for the Dubai Ferry from Mamzar Marine Transport Station on Thursdays and Fridays. Hussein Kansaheb, the Director of Marine Transport at the RTA, was quoted as saying that the Public Transport Agency is always keen on operating scheduled tours for the Dubai Ferry at both the Dubai Marina and Al Gubaiba stations, and they have decided to expand the scope of services by operating a new tourist trip in the Al Mamzar area. He added that the new route, which was launched on the 1st of October, will operate on Thursdays and Fridays, with an average of one trip per day at 4:30 p.m. The trip, which lasts for an hour, costs only 75 dirhams for the gold class, whereas the silver class costs 50 dirhams. In an effort to offer more convenience for the Latvian community based here in the UAE, ahead of the general elections, the embassy has announced that it will be opening an office here in Dubai for the community to cast their votes. The announcement of the opening of the office in the Grosvenor Business Tower in Tecom comes weeks after the country had opened its embassy in Abu Dhabi. Latvia residents in the Emirate can cast their votes for the elections on Saturday from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. The opening of the office and embassy should offer convenience for more than 300 nationals that live in the country, as earlier they had to travel to Cairo in Egypt for their closest embassy. According to officials from the embassy, the decision will be welcomed by residents, and it was an important step as the UAE is a regional economic and political hub.
Knowing that most of the Latvians, we roughly estimate 300 people, most of them live in Dubai. So we organized the election office in Dubai actually for this purpose. Those Latvians who live in Abu Dhabi can travel to Dubai, which is some 20-30 people, but most of, as I said, live in Dubai. So we organized it there to be more accessible, more convenient for our citizens. Now, this is a historic event for us because we're opening the first in the Gulf, in the GCC region embassy, and it's going to be located in Abu Dhabi. And now the citizens immediately can feel the effect. And these are the biggest elections in Latvia, the parliament elections that take place every 4 years. And for many people here, these are going to be even first elections for the young people that are young professionals here, will have the first chance to vote in their life, for example. So this is, we hear back already that they are very happy about it.
And finally, looking to other news now, around the globe, people will observe the annual World Smile Day, which is celebrated on the first Friday of October. The idea was coined and initiated by commercial artist Harvey Ball from Massachusetts, the creator of the smiley face in 1963, which became a global symbol of goodwill and good cheer. While it has a message of do an act of kindness, help one person smile, dentists are also calling for the public to pay attention to oral hygiene. A recent study by Sensodyne True White revealed that there is an increasing desire for whiter teeth, but many suffer from dentine hypersensitivity and are compromising for whiter teeth. According to the study, 84% of people in the UAE face problems with teeth sensitivity. 61% say it directly impacts their eating habits, while 40% say it impacts their happiness levels, and a fifth claim it negatively impacts their general lifestyle. Jumeirah Beach Dental Centre's Dr. Aziz George Lamam says that nowadays men are as worried as women about the appearance of their teeth and smile, and also education is key.
But even when it comes to their teeth, a lot of patients are after getting whiter teeth with sensitivity. I mean, sensitivity, whiter teeth, it's not gonna end up being a good combination. So it becomes more difficult for patients to achieve their goals if they don't take care of their teeth. On our teeth, even after you leave the dentist's office, after you get your teeth cleaned, within 24 to 36 hours, you're going to get a formation of a certain protein layer on the teeth, which is known as a pellicle layer. And it is not actually your teeth that are getting stained. It's this layer which is coated on your teeth that's getting stained. And this is why when patients come in to get their teeth cleaned, the minute we get this pellicle layer removed, you see that the teeth are coming back to their natural color.
The study also revealed that 60% of people feel guilty about the condition and look of their teeth in the UAE. 52% want whiter teeth and are actively looking for a solution. A quarter buys 2 types of toothpaste, one for sensitive teeth and one for whitening. In addition to using less abrasive and more effective toothpastes, such as Sensodyne True White, Dr. Lam says there are things people can do to ensure healthy and beautiful smiles.
Visit your dentist once every 6 months. Make sure you brush after each and every meal if possible. Floss, brush your teeth regularly, and visit your dentist, visit your dentist, visit your dentist. At least every 6 months, once.